Hello students. We all know how important it is to eat a sufficient amount of balanced diet to stay healthy and strong. Today, I've made your learning easier by summarizing the food and health chapter into 57 important questions and answers. These will help you understand the key concepts quickly and clearly. This is part 2 of the questions from 29 to 57. If you have not gone through the part 1, question 1 to 28, please click the link on the top right of the screen. But remember, this is just a guide. I strongly encourage you to read the entire chapter from your science textbook for a complete and deeper understanding. You can pause the video if you need more time to go through any answer. Stay curious, stay healthy, and as always, happy learning. Question 29. Why newborn babies and infants are given only milk for many months? Answer. Newborn babies and infants are given only milk for many months because milk is a complete food. It contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and water, which makes it a complete food. Milk makes our teeth and bones strong. Question 30. Why do we need food? Answer. Food gives us energy to do our daily activities. Food gives us proper nutrition to grow and stay healthy. Question 31. What is diet? Answer. The food that we eat every day is called our diet. Question 32. What is a balanced diet? Answer. A balanced diet is the diet that has carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage in correct amount. Question 33. Why balanced diet is necessary? Answer. A balanced diet is necessary as it is the source of energy and is also responsible for our body's growth and development. Question 34. What would happen if you do not eat a balanced diet? Answer. A balanced diet is the source of energy and is also responsible for our growth and development. If we do not eat a balanced diet, we will not get energy to do our daily activities. We might get sick frequently. Question 35. Why exercise is necessary? Answer. Exercise is necessary because exercise keeps the body fit. It makes the muscles strong. Lack of exercise makes us lazy and overweight. Question 36. Why exercise and playing games are an important part of school routine? Answer. Exercise and playing games are an important part of school routine because exercise keeps the body fit. It makes the muscles strong. Lack of exercise makes us lazy and overweight. Question 37. What would happen if you do not exercise regularly? Answer. Exercise keeps the body fit and makes the muscles strong. If we do not exercise regularly, we will become unhealthy, lazy and overweight. Question 38. Name some vegetables that can be eaten raw. Answer. Some vegetables that can be eaten raw are carrot and cucumber. Question 39. Name some vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. Answer. Some vegetables that have to be cooked before eating are brinjal, potato, cauliflower, cabbage and beans. Question 40. Name 2 food items that can be prepared from rice. Answer. Idli and dosa. If you found these questions helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't lose track of this chapter when it's time for revision before your exams. Question 41. Why salt and spices are added to food? Answer. Salt and spices are added to food to add taste to the food. Also, they have nutritional value. Question 42. Why food is cooked? Answer. Food is cooked to make it soft and edible, tasty and easy to digest. Question 43. List down some good cooking habits. Answer. Some good cooking habits are Fruits and vegetables should be washed 2-3 times to remove germs and dirt. Vegetables should not be washed after cutting them. It destroys the nutrients present in them. We should not throw the water in which pulses are soaked, as that water contains nutrients. We should use this water for cooking. We should not overfry or roast food, as it will destroy the nutrients present in food. Question 44. Why fruits and vegetables should be washed 2-3 times? Answer. Fruits and vegetables should be washed 2-3 times to remove germs and dirt. Question 45. Why vegetables should not be washed after cutting them? Answer. Vegetables should not be washed after cutting them, as it destroys the nutrients present in them. Question 46. Why we should not throw the water in which pulses are soaked? Answer. We should not throw the water in which pulses are soaked, as that water contains nutrients. We should use this water for cooking. Question 47. Why we should not overfry or overroast food? Answer. We should not overfry or overroast food, as it will destroy the nutrients present in food. Question 48. When is food said to be spoilt? Answer. Food is said to be spoilt when it smells foul. Question 49. When food gets spoilt easily? Answer. Food exposed to air and moisture gets spoilt easily due to the growth of microbes present in air. Question 50. What are the advantages of cooking food? Answer. The advantages of cooking food are as follows. Cooking makes food easier to digest. Germs are destroyed when food is cooked. Cooking makes food tastier. Germs are destroyed when food is cooked. Cooking makes food tastier. Question 51. What are the disadvantages of overcooking food? Answer. The disadvantages of overcooking food are as follows. Overcooking makes some food less nutritious by reducing vitamins and destroying some fats and proteins. Food loses its color, taste, and shape. Question 52. What is food preservation? Answer. The method used to preserve the nutritional value of food for a long time is called food preservation. Question 53. What are the different methods of food preservation? Answer. Different methods of food preservation are boiling. Boiling food such as milk kills the germs present in it, thus preserving milk for a longer time. Freezing. We can preserve food for a longer time by keeping it in a refrigerator. The low temperature inside the refrigerator does not allow microbes to grow fast. Canning. Some food items such as juice and jams are sealed in cans after removing moisture from them. Drying. Dehydration. Some food items can be dried or dehydrated to preserve it for a long time. Example, dried chilies and dried mint leaves. Using preservatives. Preservatives such as salt, sugar, and oil are added to certain foods to slow down the growth of microbes. Thus, the food is preserved for a long time. Example, pickles, jams, etc. Question 54. How boiling milk helps to preserve it longer? Answer. Boiling of milk kills the germs present in it, thus preserving milk for a longer time. Question 55. Why freezing, keeping food in a refrigerator, helps to preserve food for a long time? Answer. The low temperature inside the refrigerator does not allow microbes to grow fast and thus preserve food for a longer time. Question 56. Why adding preservatives help food to last longer? Answer. Adding preservatives in certain foods slows down the growth of microbes and thus preserve food for a longer time. Question 57. Name some commonly used food preservatives. Answer. Some commonly used food preservatives are salt, oil, sugar, etc. By now, you must have a very good understanding of the science chapter Food and Health. If you have any questions or need clarification, just write in the comments. I'll respond as soon as I can. For more science topics, click the links on the screen or visit the channel page. And don't forget to subscribe to get instant notifications for question banks of the upcoming chapters. Keep learning.